Welcome to San Jacinto Unified School District's tutorial on how to create a Parent Portal account. Now, Parent Portal is a term that you're going to hear quite often during your school years. And what it is it's a web-based program that serves multiple purposes, but two of the most helpful for parents are number one, the capability to re-enroll our children for school each year without having to fill out lots of paperwork. And number two, communicating with our child's teacher on grades, homework, and attendance. So let's get started on teaching you how to create your own account. First, you want to access San Jacinto Unified School District's website. So on any device you decide to create this account, you want to go on the cursor on a new window and type in our website address, which is www.sanjacinto.k12.ca.us. And from our website, you can access the Parents section here. So if you put your cursor over Parents, a menu pops up underneath. You're going to scroll down and click on Parent Portal. Whoops, scroll down and click on Parent Portal. And up comes a brand new window, which is our ARIE Student Information System, i.e. Parent Portal. To the top right of its little gray box there, you can see that there's different language options. So just make sure you acknowledge that and find out if there's another language you'd be more happy communicating with the system in. So once you select the language you want, you can keep moving forward. So if you already have an account, essentially you can log in this way. The email would be your username. So you would type in your email there and click next, type in your password, and then be led into your Parent Portal account. But because this is a tutorial for brand new accounts, we're going to click on Create New, which is here. Create New, click. Up comes our first step out of 3 or 4, I believe. So it's quite easy and quick to make your account. You want to make sure Parent is highlighted, which 99% of the time it is. You want to click Next after that. Up comes step 2, which is in entering your account information, meaning what username, i.e. an email address you want to use for your Parent Portal account, and what password you want to use. So on email, make sure it's an email that you always have access to and that you frequently use. If it's already hooked up on your phone, for example, even better. That's the email you want to use for any and all student records so that you can always be up to date on everything and not having to check one email versus the next on important stuff from your kid's school. On password, a note on password is make sure you create a password that has at least 8 characters with at least 1 capital letter, 1 number, and 1 symbol. So I will enter my email address that I've created for this tutorial. And the password. And keep in mind, it's asking you to enter it twice because it just wants to verify the information you entered the first time. Of course, you want to make sure that what we're entering is correct. And you want to click Next. Notice it's already warning me that I will be receiving an email from this address, do not reply at sanjacinto.k12.ca.us. So knowing that ahead of time, you want to make sure you can have access to the email account that you will be using to retrieve that message. So you want to click Next on that. Now I'm being notified that an email code has been sent to me. So you can see your email on, like I said, the same device that you're using, the desktop, the laptop, Chromebook, whatever it is. If you have it connected to your phone, great. Open that email account up and check the verification email that they sent. So I'm going to go ahead and look at my inbox, and I see that the email has arrived, so I'm going to open it. I can read that it's asking me to verify that this email address is truly what I want to use for the parent portal account I'm creating. I want to confirm this email. And I'm basically done verifying the email. It's that simple. Again, you can do it on your phone, same way pretty much. And then I could return to the login page, enter my email address because it should recognize my account now. Click next, enter your password, and sign in. And I'm in. So I've created a parent portal account officially. Now we're at the screen where we're just adding our students' information to now connect our student to our account. Otherwise, we just have an empty account. So we're going to enter our information. It's asking for student perm ID, telephone number, and verification code. Sure, it's going to be easy for you to know the telephone number, but you will need to be prepared to go to your child's school with your photo ID if you do not know your child's permanent ID number or their verification code. So again, if you need that information, you would go to your child's school, be prepared to show photo ID so we can verify you are legal guardian or parent, and then we'll be able to give that to you. If you can't continue because you don't have that information right now, simply log out by clicking on the email up on top and then selecting log out or clicking on log out. But I have the child's information, so I'm going to be entering that now. And I'm going to click on next. I'm going to select my relationship to this child, to my student, and click on next. And basically I'm in. If I have another child or a few more children to add on my account, I would simply click on add another student to your account here. But in this case, I'm good with adding my one child. So now I'm ready to access their student info, which I can click on here and view any of these items. And this is basically what the main screen looks like for profile. You can see attendance summary here in colorful format, which makes it easier to read and navigate. We also have attendance breakdown here. If you click on attendance, you can see day by day and a summary of their attendance. Grades, specifically for those in secondary, so that's 6th grade and up, you'll be able to see in more detail all of the child's classes about here, this section of the screen, a breakdown of their name of their class, teacher name, and what grade they're getting. And then if you were to go into the gradebook details, you would be able to click on each class and see a breakdown of their homework assignments, classroom assignments, their quizzes and tests, and what grades they've earned for each item. In addition to that, you'd be able to see teacher name about here so that you can have their email address number 1 and number 2. If you wanted to email them, just do it right away. So it's a really great tool, like I said, to stay connected on your child's academic achievement. So other than that, we have a parent portal account. So once you're ready to log out or to exit, you can click on the email and click on log out. And you're good to go with your parent portal account. Once you, like I said, have successfully added all of your children, you're ready to log back in whenever after that and finish exploring Parent Portal. Hopefully you can give yourself time to really check out what it does, what it offers, and how you can use it to help monitor your child's academic achievement. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.